Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a cordless vacuum that has been quickly gaining traction for its combination of power, portability, and smart design, the LEVOIT LVAC-200. If you've been wanting a lightweight stick vacuum that doesn't get tangled with hair, lasts long enough for whole home cleaning, and is easy to store and charge, this one deserves a closer look. The star of the show is its tangle-resistant brush design. Whether you deal with long human hair, pet hair, or a mix of both, the LVAC-200 reduces the hassle of stopping mid-clean to cut out clogs. Inside, its upgraded motor delivers strong suction that handles carpets, hard floors, and everyday messes with ease. Even though it's compact, it still packs enough power to lift embedded debris from rugs and pick up fine dust on tiles and laminate floors. Battery life is another strong point. You get up to 50 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for apartments, condos, or daily touch-up cleaning in larger homes. The vacuum is lightweight, making it easy to carry up and down stairs, and the cordless design gives you complete freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet. When you're done, the rechargeable battery snaps back onto its charging dock for quick and convenient powering. The LVAC-200 also converts into a handheld vacuum instantly, allowing you to reach corners, shelves, sofas, car interiors, and tight spaces without effort. This versatility makes it a great all-in-one cleaning solution for anyone who wants performance without the bulk of a full-sized upright. LEVOIT included multiple attachments that help with furniture, baseboards, crevices, and pet areas, giving you total coverage throughout your home. If you're looking for a cordless stick vacuum that's lightweight, long-lasting, and smartly engineered to reduce hair tangles and everyday cleaning frustration, the LEVOIT LVAC-200 is a great option. Check it out using the Amazon link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more daily product reviews.